Drone the NERRS is a National Estuarine Research Reserve Science Collaborative project, bringing drone monitoring of marsh habitats to a NERRS near you. The project is a transfer project, born from a recent Science Collaborative project, Drone the Swamp. The Drone the Swamp team identified the need to bridge the gap between ground-based monitoring techniques and aerial observations in tidal wetland monitoring programs. Uncrewed aerial systems, also called UAS or drones, can improve monitoring programs by providing high-resolution imagery, more spatial coverage compared to ground-based monitoring programs, and can be customized to sites, but lack of expertise and standard protocols has posed a barrier to adoption of this technology. The Drone the Swamp team, a collaboration between 6 reserves in the Southeast United States and Caribbean region, developed standard procedures, or SOPs, for equipment operation, image processing, and image analysis. Drone the NERRS is a collaboration between 6 additional reserves, representing varying biogeographical spread across 3 coasts and providing representation from around the reserve system. We will be following the protocols developed by the Drone the Swamp team and evaluating the SOPs produced by the first project, with the goal of identifying the efficacy of using this tool across the diverse marsh habitats, as well as use by a variety of skill levels present across the reserve system. Our project team is large, with levels of expertise in drone use and image processing varying from beginner to expert. The team will work through processing practice imagery, as well as collecting and processing new imagery from each reserve represented in the project. Project team members will plan missions designed to meet reserve objectives, set up drones and camera equipment, set and shoot ground control points, launch and land drones, and monitor flights. Flights will be paired with ground control points, surveyed using RTK equipment, to enhance the accuracy of aerial maps produced. Drone flights will occur in close temporal proximity to each reserve's ground-based vegetation transect data collection, part of the NERRS Wetlands and Water Levels Initiative. The Drone the Swamp monitoring SOP is designed to produce 4 analytical products: elevation modeling, ecotone delineation, percent vegetative cover, and measurements of above-ground biomass. Each participating reserve plans to produce at least 3 of these products, chosen by each reserve to align with their capacity and priority research areas. A technical advisory group of experts from the initial Drone the Swamp project is providing assistance and expertise to work through challenges. The entire Drone the NERRS team holds monthly meetings to discuss progress, ask questions, and share experiences. Issues that arise and solutions are being documented with a combination of written documentation, screenshots, and video captures, with the goal of making solutions shareable and searchable to others. Project outcomes will include a follow-up document with a list of recommendations for the Drone the Swamp SOP and the creation of a community of practice around UAS use in the NERRS system. This project will help build capacity within the reserves to use drones to monitor our systems by building expertise in utilizing drone technology and a community of individuals working together to apply these tools to research and monitoring relevant to our coasts. We hope to continue to build momentum and grow the community of practice beyond this project as UAS use grows in the National Estuarine Research Reserves.